Hello students, in this video we will learn about force and its effects. Force and its effects. It's a middle school physics. Okay, now, what is force? What do you mean by force? Force means a push. For example, I have a body, right? And it is placed on the floor. Now what I am going to do, I am going to apply a force. When I apply a force, what will happen? The body will try to move. The body will tend to move. If I apply less force, the body is more heavy, it will not move. But if I apply more force, the body will move. Okay, so you can say force is a push. Okay, it is a push. Is it the only way we can do? Only we can push the box? No. If we want it to move this side, we can pull the box also. Right? We can pull the box. See, now for pulling, what you do? You will apply the force in this direction. So force can be a push or a pull. You can either push it or pull it. You might have seen, for example, in the cricket field. Fine. In the cricket field, you have a pitch, right? And the pitch has to be made into even surface. So what they do? They bring a roller. They bring a roller like this, right? And what they will do? They will either push this roller, and the roller has come here, right? The body has moved because of the force. Because of the force I apply, the force has been applied here on the handle, right? And the body is moving, fine, and it has come here. Now I want to come back. So what do? You just keep this here and you can pull it like this. Either you push it or you pull it, and that is called force. So what the force is trying to do? It tries to move your body at rest. Your body at rest is called stationary. A stationary object. An object which is at rest, we call it as stationary object. And the body which is moving, that is in motion, that's a moving object. We all know that. So, what force can do? The first one, it can move. Let us take, for example, I got a roller here, right? Something like this. Fine. I got a cylinder here. Now what I can do? I can either push it. The body is at rest. This body is a stationary body. Now when I apply a force, the body is rolling, right? Or, for example, this body is rolling. What I can do? I can stop this body. I can make a stationary object to move or to move an object to stop. I can do both of them, right? So the first effect of force is one. It can move a stationary object or object at rest. It can do that. Or it can stop, opposite to this, stop a moving object. Okay, now what do? I'll give you some example. For example, you are playing football and you are the goalkeeper and the ball is coming very fast. Yes, I got a ball with me, right? And think this is the ball is coming fast. It's coming moving fast towards you. As a goalkeeper, what you want to do? You want to stop the ball, right? So moving object can be stopped or a stationary body. If I give a punch to this, the body will move. So two effects of force which I am telling now. One is it can move a stationary object or it can stop a moving object. Now can it only do this much? It is can do some more things also. Yes, let me erase the board and then explain it to you. So these are the two examples in your life you can see so many times. Yes, you are having a cycle, for example, right? I am not so good in drawing, so I will try to draw a cycle. Okay, yeah, this is looking something like a cycle, huh? Okay, it is not really a cycle. Okay, there is a seat here and something like that. You know, you have to make your own cycle, huh? But this man is having a bar like this. He is holding the bar. Oh my God, this is coming horrible. Okay. Let me not draw. So, think of a cycle and you are driving a cycle, okay? And as you are driving the cycle, suddenly a child is coming in between in the road. So, what you will do? You will apply the brakes. When you apply the brakes, what will happen? The cycle will slowly move and stop. A moving object is stopping. Now the child crosses and passes, goes. So the road is free. So what do? Again you pedal and the body starts moving again. Right? So this is one thing. Suppose I wanted to go like this and there is a branch, a road branch is coming like this. Let us say, right? Like this and like this. Right? This is the main road is coming. Right? And this is going to your village and this is going to some other place, right? You want to go here. So what you will do? Cycle handlebar is there. What you will do? You will turn it. Yes, you will turn it. If you are driving let us say a car, what you will do? You will turn the steering wheel. So the force can change the direction of a moving object. You can change the direction. For example, you are playing cricket, right? Cricket is there, cricket bat is there, fine. And the bowler is bowling, very fast ball. So what do? You just hit it like this, right? You change the direction. The ball is coming in this direction and what do? You hit with the bat in this direction and this is the bat, let us say. Here you are holding it, okay? So you change the direction. So force can change the direction of a moving body, right? It's very important. You should learn one of the effects also. Next, what can it do? For example, again I take the same ball, fine. Now the ball is spherical in shape, sphere, like a circle, no? It is a 3D, 3 dimension. Now I can change the shape of the ball. How? If I apply force here like this, you see, it's just there's a small dent is coming here. Yeah, see, it is changing the shape. Yes, it can change the shape of the body. It can change the shape of the body. See, for example, instead of the ball, if I take a rubber band, yes, let us take a rubber band now. What I'm doing, see, rubber band, normal rubber band, I stretch it like this. Yes, within the limit, when I stretch it, it is changing the shape, means it is becoming extended. Okay, so this is one example. Or I have a spring balance with me. Fine, it is a small spring is there. So there is a hook here and there is a point to hang it like this. Fine, I push it like this. You see, inside it is changing the shape. The spring is enlarging, it is extending, compressing and expansion. Yes, it can change the shape of the body. Yes, let me write it now. Okay, it can change the direction. When you apply the force, a moving body will change its direction, or it can change the shape of the body. Yes, where will you see this changing of the shape? Very simple. In your house, mummy is making chapati. She is having a round ball and she just rolls it nicely and she keeps it. And what she does it, she takes that roller, you know, and then like. And what happened? It gets a circular shape. Yes, it's like a small ball. Think of it. It's like a ball. And she keeps it and presses it and gives the force. Yeah, pushes it, changes the direction. You know, first there is a ball like this. Okay, she flattens it. Yes, and it will become like this. And then what she does? carefully she make it into a circular form. You know, whenever I make chapati, you know, the shape will come like this. Yeah, people think it is some amoeba. No, I don't know how to apply the correct force. When I apply the correct force, like your mummy applies the right force, it will come in beautiful circle. Yeah, but I make it, it comes in this shape. But anyway, I can eat it, no? Whatever the shape is chapati. So just eat it. That's all. Yeah. So it can change the shape of the body. Now I am going to tell you one most important effect. What is that effect? That is, for example, I have a car here, right? I can draw a car because it reads only lines, you know. So it's very easy for me to draw a car. Okay, a car is there, steering is there, and a man is going to sit here, right? This is the seat. Yes. Now this man is going to drive the car. The car is going like this. Yes. Now he wants to reach a particular city. He's checking his time. Yes, I have to attend the meeting. So what I do? I just press the accelerator. Then car goes fast, right? 40, 50, 60, 70. So what is changing? Speed. Speed is changing. Either you can increase the speed. Okay. Now you come close to the office. So what do? You put the brakes. Either you press the accelerator or you push the brake, right? So what will happen when you put the brake? You can't just put a sudden brake. You all will be thrown out. So you put slowly and the body goes slowly. So what is going to happen? They are going to be decrease the speed. Yes, it can either increase the speed or it can decrease the speed. So it can change the speed. That is the meaning. If I take the ball and suppose, let me say a simple example. Let me take this ball. If I apply a small force, see, let me apply a small force, it has fallen. But I apply a large force. Ball is gone. Do you understand? You can apply less force or you can apply more force. Now, how do you measure that force? Force is measured in what? In Newton. You know, there was a famous scientist by name Sir Isaac Newton. Okay, Sir Isaac Newton. So the unit, how you measure it? Unit of force is Newton. Okay, you always write with small letter, though it is a name, but you will write capital N, right? So 100 Newton force, 1000 Newton force. So Newton measures what? Force. Okay, so now I am not going to teach you more in this video. We will do a small revision and we will stop with this unit, this video. Okay, 1. Force is a push or a pull. What it does to do? It tends to move a body, right? It tends to move, change the position of a body, right? Now this is, I will tell you what it is also with one more example. But by the time we will see the effect. First effect, force. What force can do? The force can move a stationary object. That is first point. 2. It can stop a moving object. Okay. And 3. It can change the shape of the object. Okay. Then it can change the direction. Change the direction of the object. Okay. And then 5th one, it can change the speed of the object. It can change the speed of the object. So these are the different effects of force, and the unit of force is Newton. This is the Newton is the unit of force. Now I am going to ask you a question for you to think, right? You should think and answer this question. Now, force is a push or a pull. It tends to move a body, tends. For example, I am going to apply a force on this board. It is not moving. Yes, let me apply more force. No, it is not moving. Why? The wall is not moving. Wall is stationary. How much I apply the force, it's not moving. So, force is applied. The body is not moving. Does it mean I am not applying force? No, I am applying force and the body is not moving. So, can you think how can you move this board? Yes, you can remove the nails and you can remove it. Okay. Or otherwise, I want to move this wall. How can I move this wall? I will not tell you, because my manager sir will say, why? What I will do, you know? I will take a big bulldozer and I will take that big machine, dum. Why? The machine is able to apply more force. You might have seen big buildings being demolished. How? Because that machine can apply more force. That's all. The wall is fallen, but I am applying. So the body tends to move. Not necessary it should move. Sometimes the force applied will not be able to move the body. Sometimes, for example, I take this ball and then what I do, I just take it and I throw it, because this is a small body. This body is not having heaviness. So I throw this ball and it comes back to me, right? And this is the applying force and the speed, and the body comes back. Let us see in the next video. Thank you.